Morning, guys. Good morning to all. Guys, please check it. All of you are get my voice on the screen. Please type in questions box so I can check it. All of you are get my voice on screen. Right. Yeah, that's fine, guys. And so today, just I'm going to take a small introductory part for Java programming language. What are the various things are available inside this Java, and what exactly like Java importance and where Java is existed. Then after that, after completion of this, what about our plan at these classes? And all these details we are going to understand. Right, yes. So then guys, once again, I'm telling to you from my side, everything is okay, fine, no problem. And if any of you are not getting voice properly or clearly, just wait a minute of time. It will take after joining with the webinar, it will take 1 minute of time to get a clear audio and video. Just wait a minute of time. You can check it. If it is not coming, then rejoin with webinar. That will be the solution. My side, everything is okay, fine. All remaining members are getting voice and screen clearly, fine. And apart from this, guys, all of you observe this clearly. Today, then what exactly the demo class can I'm taking now? Java related demo class only. I want to give some clarity for you. Where is Java in our IT industry, and what exactly the role of the Java, what it is doing, and how much it is important for us. And if I continue with Java, what about our opportunities level? And after that, any competitive, any competitor for Java in outside. What is the scope of the Java with respect to the competitor? Where competitors are available? So all these details today we are going to understand. Then after completion of this overview of Java, then after that I will talk about our plan, what I'm going to take and what exactly the intention to start this demo class and what exactly the courses I'm going to discuss and what are the courses which are available in this particular module batch now. Then what is my plan? Then any offers are available, surprises are available on this demo from Durgasoft. And all these things we are going to and today now. Alright, so today hardly I will finish the session by 8 o'clock and 8 to 8:15. I'll assign time for you for doubts clarification. If you have any concerns or if you have any doubts and everything, I can clarify to you. But meanwhile, let me continue this content, and at the end of the session, I'll completely allow for you for doubts clarification. I can give some clarity. Right. If you have any concerns or if you have any doubts about your like profile, or maybe if you have any doubts on like which one get your career, then I can help you then to set right that. Anyway, now let's start this content. Say for example, if we upload this thing in outside IT industry, for example, go there. Just normal, a simple classification I'm telling you as per your understanding level, not too much terminology, very simple terminology. Just if we observe this content clearly, IT, if we divide this IT, information technology industry, into parts, I can divide into two things. What are the two things that I can divide now? First one is development, and second one is which one? Non-development. First one is which one? Development, and second one is which one? Non-development. Like this, I want to divide. Right, so development side, and second one is which one? Non-development side. All of you might be aware about it. Answer. This is my simple classification. What I want to prepare now. IT, if you divide now, development and non-development. Then my simple classification about this non-development is like which one? A simple number of things are available. What are all these things that I'm telling to you? I want to say like which one here? Testers. Okay, fine. This one testing site. I'm not including under this development side. Of course, they must be required for development side also, but testers, I'm telling you, engineers or whatever it may be, QA analysts or whatever it may be, all people. Next one is administrators, like we can here, server administrators. Right? Now for the server administrators and system administrators. Okay, fine. Then after this, system administrators. Right, guys. Now network administrators, like this. Network admin. Number of people are existing. Number of admin and server administrators, server admins. That means simply I'm telling you administration side. Completion of this, apart from this, and so on, and so on, and so on. Number of all these people just I'm talking now. This one. These are like which one get non-development side. If we compare this development side, just simple, then which technologies which are going on development. If you observe these technologies, mainly I want to take two classifications. There are of course three classifications that I want to take. Then what are the three classifications that we want to take? All of you put, listen carefully. All right, three classifications that I want to take. What are the three classifications at development that I want to take? There's technology respective. With respect to the technology, I'm taking this one. So first one is Java. Java is at one side, development technology is part of, Then I want to go for like which one? Python. Most of the people are talking about this word nowadays. Python. Okay, fine. After completion of this, now here we have to understand about like which one? UI side. User interface side, right? Presentation part. So these are the three categories I'm going to divide about this total part. Now, inside this, if you observe this Java side, then what we are going to learn, what exactly the things are available at Java side. If you come for this one, very clear at Java side, if you want to know, it's very, very clear. First, we have to learn for Java. Next one is in our terminology, advanced Java. Of course, actually, strictly speaking, there is no concept like advanced Java, but still, I can use this terminology at the end. I'm able to give clarity on it. Then after this, advanced Java, core Java, advanced Java. Next one is Hibernate. Then after that, next one is Spring Framework. In a Spring again, this I can divide into Spring 1 or Spring 2. Like this, we're able to have some classifications, right? So including Spring Boot and Spring microservices and all. I want to say like this in a single one. Now Spring, right? This is Spring. Then after this is Spring, services very required. Web services very required. So core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, web services. These are majorly the technologies nowadays everybody has to learn. What we have to learn in the sense that I'm giving clarity now. Right. So then apart from this, if you want to put some experience, or else maybe, then apart from this, at Java side, then we required some real-time tools. Real-time tools here we required. Apart from this real-time tools, better if you have any like which one here, design. If you want to keep some experience. If you want to keep some experience in our resume, then definitely we require which one? Real-time tools and design patterns. So these things here we record, and if anything is available, I'll include later on. But try to understand it clearly. Right, guys. Guys, once again, I'm asking to you, all of you get my voice and screen, guys. Please confirm to me. All of you get my voice and screen. Guys, please confirm to me once again. Those who are attending this session, please confirm to me. All of you are get my voice on screen? Yes, very clear, very clear, very clear. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Right, sir. This is what we provided here. The total classification here we provided. And now Java said we should know. Then last two things for which one experienced people. If you want to keep some experience in your resume, then definitely we require this. Again, I will come back to this part here. Right. Now this is like which one Java. Java set, if you have to this clearly. But majorly core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring, web services. These are five technologies, real-time tools and design patterns. Then we require. Clear. These are the along with this we require like which one something else. These are real-time tools and design patterns, and what are the various tools we require and all. We are going to have a list later on. This is about like which one Java. Good, sir. Next one is if you want to go for this Python site. Again, in this Python site, and two parts are existed. All of you listen carefully. Python site, if you observe this clearly, two parts are existed. What are the two parts here? No, one is enterprise application development. One is like which one? Enterprise application development side. Enterprise application development. So this side, if we take now, this is one thing, one area. Second one is which one? Data analysis. Data analysis side. Two things are existing with respect to this one, enterprise application development and data analysis side. If we take this enterprise application development side, what we are able to have in the case of this enterprise application development side, just you can observe this clearly. Core Python. First, everybody has to know about this core Python. Next one is advanced Python. And after this, advanced Python. Next one is then framework, Django framework, Django or Flask. Something is available. Django or Flask or might be. Some number of frameworks are existed. Then after that, REST API. These things are existed. If you want to go for like which one, enterprise application development side. Right. This is one category. And in the case of Python, if you want to go for data analysis side, this is a huge area, then a huge market. At the same time, not much simple. Just let me list out all these things. Here also we must know core Python. This is very, very fundamental. Without this core Python, in the case of this Python side, without core Python, we can't do anything. Right. So now, the next one is like which one here? Advanced Python is also required, but not much important. Core Python is much important here. Then apart from this, what we require here, then immediately we have to go for like which one? Statistics we require, or maybe in the case of this advanced Python, gradually some few topics are existing. But in the case of this Python itself, then what are the few topics? Some libraries are required. What are these libraries here we required actually? So like NumPy, and the next one is which one? Pandas. This kind of libraries we required much. Then apart from this, data visualization, those are available. Data visualization like Matplotlib and Seaborn. This one, data visualization is also required. Apart from this data visualization, here what we require now, statistics we required. Apart from the statistics, next one is like which one? Machine learning is required. And after this machine learning, next one is like which one? NLP is required. Then after that, deep learning is required. And neural network is required. Next one is like which one? Artificial intelligence required. So these many, so many technologies we require. All these things are existing. So machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning, neural networks, and artificial intelligence, and all these many technologies are available. Anyway, this is big set. Yes, even not only that, now some supporting technologies are also required. Just I'm giving outline list of these technologies under this data analysis side. Apart from this, you may require like which one here, little bit awareness on like which one Hadoop you require, and little bit awareness on Tableau, and little bit awareness on some different components and different products are available. All these products here we are going to understand under like which one? Data analysis set. If you take the data analysis set, these many things here we require. Everybody has to understand this clearly. That's okay, good. This is about like which one, Right. This is about like which one? Python and its area. Fine. Next one is after getting clarity on this Python and its areas. No. Next, we have to come for which one here? UI technologies. That third part under this development side, we are telling UI. Come on, guys. All of you have to this clearly. What I'm telling to you inside this UI part, what we require basically called HTML, and this is like which one called basic UI. And I want to say this is like which one basic UI. Under this basic UI, what we are going to have there? You can have to this clearly HTML, and next one is like which one here and CSS, and is bootstrap. Now, then after this bootstrap, we are going to have like which one here JavaScript, right? After this JavaScript, jQuery, after this jQuery, then what we require here JavaScript and jQuery DOM, for example, right? Then these are the things we are going to have under this basic way. Then one more thing like which one here Ajax required, awareness is required, Ajax awareness is intended. So this is basic UI. Basic UI, what we are having. Apart from this basic UI, next one is some frameworks are available. Angular framework. Then after that, after completion of this Angular, next one is Node.js. Then after this Node.js and React.js. I want to say React here, React.js. Then after that, Node.js. Right. Apart from this Node.js, Express.js. After this Express.js, nowadays might be JS getting a little bit demand about this Vue.js and so on. Then it's a continuation process, and moreover, fast updations are going on at this side, basic UI side. That means UI side now. So these many things are existed at the UI side. Guys, all of you have to this clearly. This is like which one? Basic. Whatever the things are going to be available under this UI side. All these things can be available. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are following what I'm trying to say to you. All of you are following what I'm trying to say to you. Guys, all of you are following it. Yeah, then I will discuss everything. What is an enterprise application and all. Okay, fine. No need to worry for it. But just understand it. What I'm trying to say, no. So just I'm listing at a development side. What are the various technologies are available? What are the various things that exist at development side? Just I'm trying to give some thought regarding this particular thing. Why? Because this one time we need to have some minimal awareness. And after that, I will come back. I'll come for like which one that for Java developer what we required out of all. Then everything I'll discuss with you. Okay, fine. No need to worry for that. Okay, guys. Now this is about like which one here. This is about like which one totally development side, Java side, and Python side, and US side. These are the things here we can understand it clearly. Enterprise application development in the sense, guys. I think so. One of you have asked it to me. Enterprise application development. Simply we can understand. Might be a bank application is an enterprise application, or maybe like which one? Some insurance application is an enterprise application. And next one is apart from that, healthcare application is an enterprise application. So then some web environment or maybe distributed environment, and these are like which one? Enterprise applications. But data analysis side is which one? Might be huge data is available. Just I have to process it and I have to take some decisions on the basis of the data. So data processing and the data might be dynamic decisions. So to take decisions on the basis of the data, we require some analysis, we require some process. So that for that purpose, we need to go for the data analysis. That is totally different. I'll talk with you later on. Right, guys. Now this is the total part. What I'm telling you. Now, after providing this total chart, now this I want to talk about opportunities level at each and every site. What exactly the opportunities level is available in outside market. This I want to talk about each and every side. Now, all of you observe this clearly. Java side, if you observe this Java side, 60 to 70% opportunities level is available in outside market. Of course, that Karuna side Even people are thinking, sir, might be Corona is going on, COVID is going on in outside, all companies are almost all down, no recruitment drives are going on. If you are thinking like that, then it's not right. It's not right. This is wrong statement only. Still recruitments are going on, and still people are selecting through maybe virtual interviews now. Then already companies are selecting some people, and companies are firing some other people also there from their company. So still these drives are going on. Understand it clearly. But anyway, then what I'm telling you, before Corona and in lockdown situation, before lockdown and in lockdown situation, if you have that, then definitely some damage is going on in IT industry also. There also be some drives might be slowed down. Then opportunities might be recruitment drives are going on a bit slow, but still going on, still going on. So simple point: if you are capable, then definitely you are able to get chances even in lockdown situation also. Even then, the last before 2 days itself, I got a call from one of my old student. He said to me, "Sir, just I got selected with I think I forgot the company name. He's selected already. He got nearly 6 lakh per annum, 6 lakh per annum as a package. 6.2 some hard is available. I didn't remember that. The company name also I didn't remember that. Then every day I used to get 2 to 3 calls like this. So it means that going on, drives are going on, but not much. So at its level, it's going on, right, sir? And moreover, then what I'm telling to you, this lockdown situation, if you want to utilize now, we can utilize this lockdown situation effectively. Effectively. Yeah, exactly. When I Singh, I have joined a company in lockdown only, sir. Yes, exactly. So number of cases are available. Okay. Number of situations, even some of my students, already previous students, they used to share their information with me now. All right. So then immediately 60% to 70% of opportunity level is going on if you take the Java side. Understand it clearly. Now, Python side, if you take no, this enterprise application development, core Python, advanced Python, Django, Flask, REST API, and all these things. If you want to take no, if you want to check this, here what I am telling to you, here 30% to 30% to 40% of situations available getting job. That means a job opportunities level in outside. 30% to 40% situations available. This now understand it clearly. Now, this data analysis side is totally different. This data analysis side and this market is not at all comparable with the Java and all these things. And moreover, I'm telling to you clearly, Java, if you take no, here the Java situation is like with one enterprise application development comparison. I'm telling you, enterprise application development comparison. I'm telling now still. So if you observe this enterprise of Java is mainly for enterprise application development, not mainly for which one data analysis side. Python is having its hand on both the side, enterprise application development and data analysis side. So at enterprise application development side, Java is a king. At enterprise application development, Java is a king. And at Python enterprise application development side, if you observe this now, this course is very required and this the opportunities level are which one? 30 to 40% only. Next one is data analysis side. If you observe this clearly, again, its market is which one? They know huge market. 100% market is going on here. This market is totally different. And this opportunity level is totally different and it is not comparable with the enterprise application development of Java, enterprise application development of Python. So this market, this data analysis side, core Python, advanced Python, and libraries and all, whatever the list I given there. So this level is totally different. It's not comparable to which one? This level. Then here itself, I need to give some clarity, guys. And might be in outside also some people are saying, sir, Python is coming here. Then a few years back, Python is dominating Java. So then because of this Python, no more Java. Java had lost its what I'm telling their good appearance in outside. No. So no, Java is no more. Only Python. So can I go for Python? People are saying this type of statement. Confirming here itself, guys. I'm confirming here itself from this particular stage. I'm confirming here itself to all of you. Next to 20 to 25 years of time, next to 20 to 25 years of time, no changes, no doubts for Java, no problems with Java. There is no downfall for Java. This is a rumor. What people are saying, Python is dominating Java. No Java, only Python. If any person is saying like that, first ask him in which area and which circumstances you are saying this statement now. So now here itself I'm telling you Python, enterprise application development and the data analysis side. Data analysis side is totally different. Data analysis side is totally different. And Java area is totally different. Guys, all of you understand my point now. So these two are totally two different tracks. Then how we are comparing these both now? How we compare this both now? That's the point what I'm telling you. And one more thing I'm telling you guys, Python is mainly for which one? Just always Python people, their main thinking is towards which one? Towards the data analysis side. Python mainly is not for at which side no enterprise application development. No, Python is not mainly for which one? Enterprise application development. Understand my point here now. So Python is mainly for which one here now? Like which one? Data analysis side. Everybody has to understand it. Moreover, this data analysis area, in the case of this Python, is a growing area, is growing on. Still, it is not in 100%, but this area is uncomparable with Java area. That's why I said 100%. Now, still, its market is going to be established, not 100% established. Answer my point here. Year by year, this area jobs are going up. That's fine. I do agree. My point, But an enterprise application development, where is this Python? In enterprise application development, Python is a kid. Python is a kid. Just it is doing LKC and UKC. That's it. But Java is already mastered. PhD holder. Java is a PhD, almost a mastered. Understand my point here? So it is not at all comparable between Java and Python. In enterprise application development area, Java is a king. No other technology is a replacement for Java. Guys, understood it? What I said to you. Understood it? What I said to you guys. Guys, I'm asking to all of you guys. Now, please respond for me. All of you understood this? What I'm saying to you? Just good. So this is the thing here. So here itself we have to believe, guys. Here itself we have to believe. No problem for Java. In the next 25 years after, I'm giving assurance to all of you. What is enterprise application development? I'll discuss with you. In the technology part, I will discuss. First of all, let me clarify. I already given clarity to you. So simple example point of view, if you take any e-commerce application or any bank application or any insurance application or any healthcare application, aerospace application, if you take all these are web related. All these applications are related to which one? Enterprise application development. Good. That's fine. Good. Next one is, and after that, if we come for these UI technologies, and this area, UI technologies area is also be not comparable with the which one Java and Python and all this. This area is totally different track. And its opportunity level is also be going up. This I can say this is different track. And here we can measure 100% of opportunity level. This is different track. It also be required. It's also be required there at the Java side now. But here also a separate area is created. This area, in its area, 100% relations are 100% opportunity levels are available. Guys, up to this clear. What I'm telling you. Fine. Now this is like which one the total picture and a bit simplified picture. I'm telling you clearly about these things now. Next, so coming to this learning curve. Learning curve. If you go for it, right here. Right, yes. Then learning curve, if you observe this clearly, yeah, exactly. I'll give clarity now. So learning curve process, if you observe this clearly, see definitely if we come for this Java side, then if you want to complete this Java, definitely it will take 5 to 6 months of time, sure, or maybe 1 month, 1 month, less or more. 5 to 6 months of time will take. On average, I'm telling you, and learning curve of this enterprise application development at a Python side, it will take nearly and 3 to 4 months of time if you plan properly. All right, sir. But learning curve is also a difference is available. Because of this difference, also we might be most of the people are thinking about like which one Python. But please realize yourself, Python is not for enterprise application development mainly. Python is for which one? Data analysis side. Now here also be at the Python data analysis side, if we take this total path, core Python, advanced Python, libraries, data visualization, statistics, and machine learning, and natural language processing, all these things, if you observe this clearly, nearly it will take 1 year of time. 1 year of time, guys. All of you understand this. If you want to learn all these things, 1 year of time. Even which organizations are offering these courses effectively, 1 year of time, 1.5 year of time. No, it's like which one, IIT Mumbai, IIT Roorkee, might be then IIS, might be Bangalore, and these organizations are offering this type of courses majorly. Understand it clearly. Standard organizations are offering this type of courses and with the certification. No? Understand it clearly now. So in the normal training institutes, and these courses are going on, but the name set. Think about it. So in outside might be internship programs are going on, might be some see that environment is totally different. Nearly 1 year of time it will take. But market is good. It's going on. Upcoming market, it's going on there. But it's not the replacement for Java set. Not the replacement for Java set. Say one simple word I'm telling you. As long as how long these bank applications are going on, how long these insurance applications are going on, how long these e-commerce applications are going on, in all up to that time, this Java is going on perfectly. You'll not get any problem for Java. Good. This is 1 year of time, guys. And again, if you observe this total UiPod, Angular, React, Node, and all, so just it may take nearly 5 to 6 months of time. Here also be nearly 5 to 6 months of time if you want to complete this total part. That's what it is, what I'm telling you. So I already said what is an enterprise application in the sense, already said no, a web related bank application or maybe like what I'm telling you, bank application or insurance applications or e-commerce applications, all these things, just we can understand it clearly. Right guys, now this is like which will get all these things here I'm telling you, we can apply this clearly. And cost of learning that depends on the phases, that depends on the areas, sir. So don't compare the cost and all these things now. In general, if you go for corporate level, definitely more cost is going on. If you go for academic institutes like which one, IITs or NITs, like all these things now, there also the cost will be different. But if you come to Amirpet, the cost will be totally low. So don't think much about this cost. Cost comparison is not at all here. Just I'm giving clarity now. Opportunities level and learning curve here I'm telling you. Fine. Now up to this clearly, guys, in out of all these things, could you tell me which one is a right path for us to grow up our career? Just as per my suggestion, as we are having this content, no, and and now one more thing I'm telling here, and some people may talk with me regarding, sir, if I want to take Java, I need to have too much technical skills, and if I take this Python, less technical skills. If I go for UI, no technical skills. People are thinking like it. But I'm giving clarity to all of you guys. I'm giving clarity to all of you know. See, basically, we are going to become as which one developer. We are going to become as which one developer. Developer in the sense, what is your work now? Tell me. A developer, as a developer, what is your work now? Develop the applications only. Then develop the application in the sense, definitely we have to write programs. Definitely you have to write the programs. As you are going to become as a developer, you should not say, myself is not good at technical, myself is not good at like which one, some other area. No, we should not say like that. As you are going to become as a developer, you should write programs and everywhere. Even in the case of AI also, we have to write programs. If you take Angular or React or Node or JavaScript and all, there also we have to write some programs, but their syntaxes are different. And if you want to go for this Python, like core Python, advanced Python, there also you have to write programs, but our syntaxes are different. Similarly, if you come for this Java, there also you have to write the programs, and here Java syntax are different. So don't think about it. Java required too much technical skills, and Python doesn't require much, and UI does not require anything. No, such kind of comparison, just leave it. As you want to become as a developer, definitely you should be ready. Think your mind. That means tune your mind. You should be ready to prepare programs. Programmatic knowledge is required in everywhere. Programmatic knowledge is required in everywhere, but the programming we are going to prepare on the basis of the language what you selected, as per that language syntaxes and as per that language things we are going to take it. Please recognize what I'm telling you clearly. Right, guys? That's fine anyway. Then all these quotations and figures I'm telling to you as an average, averaging, not exact figures and average figures here I'm telling to you clearly. Good, guys. Good. Now, after completion of this particular thing, wait a minute of time, guys. Just go for the just 1 minute. Java 7 a.m. is our folder. I want to save this one. Introduction. One. That's okay, guys. I'll share anyway. All these things I will share with you. No need to worry for that. This is one thing. And nowadays, one more terminology is going on, guys. Just I'll go for it. One more terminology. Just wait a minute after. I will talk about it. And guys, all of you are getting much clarity on this diagram, whatever the diagram I provided. Yeah, then I will talk with you regarding my plan also. Guys, all of you are getting clarity and much clarity in this diagram. What I given information to you, just it is generalized information only. That's okay, good. Next one is after completion of this. Now all of you understand this clearly. Nowadays, and some terminologies are going on. So in outside also, Java developer. This is one thing. Understand it, guys. What I'm telling you now. Java developer. This is one thing. And other thing is like which one? Full stack Java developer. Full stack Java developer. And other thing is like which one? Full stack Python developer. This is going on in outside. This technologies recently, these technologies are going on in outside. People are used to say this type of technologies. Now let me give clarity on it. Full stack Python developer. And other thing is like which one? In some other areas I had it. Even some companies are calling like this full stack UI developer. Apart from all these things, another thing is like which one here? Simply full stack developer. This is another one. This type of terms are going on. This type of technologies are going on. But we have to understand it. What is Java developer first? What is his? What exactly is technology set? What is his skill set? If you observe this, Java developer, in the sense, you should know core Java and you should know advanced Java. He should know like which one here. Apart from this advanced Java, then Hibernate, and he should know Spring. Of course, Spring. If you have two parts, Spring 1 and Spring 2. Spring 2 in the sense boot and microservices and all these things, cloud, Spring Cloud and all. And then apart from this, and web services. Yes, up to this clear. So these are like which one get technologies that Java developer required. Apart from that, one database awareness is required. Oracle or MySQL, one database awareness is required. Then, all right, sir. Now, apart from this basic UI part, already I specified you basic UI part, basic UI. Then, apart from this, Java developer side. Now, Java developer in the sense, but a bit real-time tools, required real-time tools. The real-time tools are going to be varied, sir, time to time. Which tools are having demand in outside that we are going to understand. Apart from this, like which one design patterns, if you know better. But these things for experienced people, right? These things for experienced people. But anyway, then I included all these things. This is Java developers part. Understand this? What I'm telling you. But if we upload this, if we upload this full stack Java developer part, if you observe this clearly, what I'm telling you know, if you observe this full stack developer part, no, just we have to aware about like which one Java developer, Java developer with the which one get total UI part, Java developer and what which one get UI part, total UI part. UI part is nothing but like which one, not basic UI part, total UI part. So that means whatever the yes, I want to list out all these things. So Java developer require this total part, whatever the things are listed here, total part can be provided. Then along with this, what he has to know, then these things also he has to know, like Angular or maybe React.js. Then he should know maybe minimum Node and Express. Right. These things are also be added along with this one. And at the same time, database awareness, Oracle or MySQL, and this kind of awareness is required. This is full stack Java developer. And a full stack Python developer, here two areas are available. The data analysis area, I'm not talking about it. Now here, which things are existed here? We know already. Core Python. Next one is like which one? Advanced Python. Apart from this, what next one here? Django or Flask required. Then apart from this Django or Flask, then what about the next one here? REST API. REST API that is also required. Apart from this REST API, you should know like which one here? Angular basic UI part is required. Total basic UI, HTML, CSS, and all these things. Then apart from that, like which one? Like Angular. Here also Angular or React, React.js, And next one is like apart from this, Node and Express. These people are using this type of technology nowadays. Now, at the same time, full stack UI developer in the sense, and whatever the things I specified there, basic UI, everybody has to understand it clearly. Basic UI. And apart from this basic UI, next one is like which one? Angular. As it is, and whatever the total UI, whatever the course I specified, the total. Next one is like which one? And React JS. Then after this, like which one? Node.js. Then after that, Express.js. Then people are asking like this nowadays. And apart from this, and if anything is remaining here, then they are going to be included inside this one. Observe this clearly. So anyway, then with respect to our Java, with respect to Java, majorly here we are going to concentrate. That is, we have to think. I think so. As you are the Java developer, we have to think about either of these two. Nowadays, we have to think about like which one, either of this one. Depending on our requirement, what we want to take, then either of this one here we have to become. If you want to separate your career at Java side, no, just we have to take either of which. That's your actual thing. Yes, am I right or not? I think so. You are attending this Java demo class in the sense your area should be either of this. Understand it clearly now. So you should decide what you are going to take. This is Java developer part and this is Java full stack Java developer part. Which one we want to take, that we have to decide exactly. That's the point here, what I'm telling you. Fine. Apart from this, like which one, these are different for Python and for like which one, full stack UI developer. But in the case of this Python, and people are including that machine learning also might be nowadays. I've seen in some advertisement might be in full stack Python development, machine learning also they are including along with all these things. Anyway, it's far away for us, not required to think about these two concepts here. Now here we have to think about Java developer and full stack Java developer. Guys, are you following what I'm saying to you? And moreover, in my comparisons, I haven't included that big data analysis, Hadoop, Spark, Scala, this kind of things. I have not included. When compared with all, they're having a bit less demand in outside market, as per my view. Guys, all of you are getting clarity on this content. What I said to you, all of you are getting clarity on this. Come on, guys. People are not responding for me. All of you are getting clarity on this. Right. Good. That's fine. These are like which one you know, and Java developer role and full stack Java developer technology set. What we require exactly. Next one is after completion of this total part here. Now coming to our language, and let me save this one. Wait a minute of time. I will definitely. I will share this one also to you, guys. Now listen. Now coming to our content. Now today I'm taking demo class and at Durgasoft. At Durgasoft, what are the courses and how these courses we plan? Yeah, definitely. Then HTML, JavaScript, and CSS is minimum for everybody, mandatory for everybody. Yeah, right. Minimum UI, basic UI is mandatory for everybody. Now, courses at Durgasoft. Courses at Durgasoft. If you observe this, guys, clearly, first section is like which one here? Individual courses. And moreover, courses at Durgasoft, I mean, yes, so many courses are available at Durgasoft. In every area, so many courses are available. But here, courses at Durgasoft by Nagoor, about my courses, what I am going to teach at Durgasoft. If we come for this one, individual courses are existing, guys. In individual courses, what we are having here, right? We need to have first one, core Java. Then this one is like which one? Advanced Java. Then after this, Hibernate. Individual courses I'm telling you, Hibernate. After this Hibernate, like which one here? Spring 1 and Spring 2. Two courses are available. Now here also with web services, but in web services also with two things are available, SOAP and REST. But anyway, then I'm not separating that, just web services. At Java related. Then as usual, real-time tools. And after this real-time tools and design patterns. So these things, these are individual courses at Java set, we can up to this clearly. Now at the same time, some database related things are also existed, Oracle and MySQL, of course. Then apart from this Oracle and MySQL, no, then what we are having here, And basic UI technologies. Basic UI part is also existed here. Basic UI. Basic UI in the sense we need to aware about it. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Bootstrap, and all this content. That's okay, fine. Like this, and so many courses are available. Then these are the courses as of now. I'm teaching at Java site. Then apart from this, now Python I'm teaching it regarding this Python side. If you observe this clearly, and core Python, and next one is like this one, advanced Python. Then apart from this, and Django. Then apart from this Django and REST API, and these things I'm teaching at present. And UI side also I'm teaching it. Right, Spring One and web services both are different. Guys, now UI side, if you observe this clearly, basic UI I'm planning this. Apart from this, Angular I'm planning. Next one is like which one? Angular and Node.js. And apart from this, like React.js. And anyway, and some other courses. All these courses individually I'm teaching. Right. Already we are going on batch. All batches are going on about this one. Now these are individual courses, guys. Now if you have to the second one, basic Java package we are starting. Basic Java package. Guys, all of you listen carefully. This what is important for you. Why? Because what I'm planning and what exactly the courses are available at Durgasoft with respect to me and what I'm teaching. So I'm giving one time awareness on it. Then before going to register for these courses, we should know all these things. So that's why here what I'm telling you, basic Java package can be provided. Inside this basic Java package, which courses are available here? Inside this core Java. Next one is like which one? Advanced Java. And next one is like which one? Apart from this, Oracle database. Then apart from this Oracle database, just we are web services. REST API in the sense is a part of web services now. I'll give much clarity about it. Advanced Java, then basic UI. Basic UI is a basic Java package, guys. Now, at the same time, at the Durgasoft, what I'm planning at present now, this is like which one here? Java package. Basic Java package, and now this is like which one? Java package. Complete Java package. Complete Java package. Now, inside this complete Java package, as of now, what we are planning here, now here, we are going to provide like which one? Core Java and advanced Java. Then apart from this, like Hibernate, and then apart from this, and the Spring One, right? Spring One, right? And the Spring One, just now I'm planning like which one here? Okay, Spring One. Then apart from this Spring One, then what we are able to provide here, just we can observe this clearly. Oracle, then apart from this Oracle, and what next one here? No, something else like which one here? UI. Okay, fine. And some tools, one or two tools here I'm telling you. All right. Now this is complete Java package here we are planning. Just leave this one, Spring 1 or Spring 2. Don't get any confusion. The total part here I'm telling you know. Just I'll give that much clarity. Right. Right. Spring I provided just after this clear. Now this is like between three packages and other one is fourth one. Fourth package here we are planning, not at plan, no. Fourth package. It's a frameworks package. Separate frameworks package we are planning there. Now here, what we are going to provide here, Hibernate. Hibernate is one package, and other thing is like which one apart from this Hibernate and the Spring, and apart from this, like which one here, web services. All of after this clear web services. Then after that, real-time tools. Then after that, design patterns. Then this kind of things. They are available, some different. And this is not yet formed, guys. Now this is it may take a bit delay, but not immediately. This is not at 100% not in future. So we are planning. In the future, we are planning for this and also. Right. Design patterns also. For this, we are planning later. But as of now, these packages are ready. Now, today, what exactly the demo class I'm taking now? Today, from this individual courses side, today I'm taking this demo class. I'm going to start this core Java batch today, as well as this basic Java package today itself. I'm starting, as well as like which one here, complete Java package also here I'm starting. Guys, everybody has to understand this clearly. Now today this today demo class is total overall view I'm telling, but the demo class is if you have to this core Java. Today itself I'm starting this core Java, and now this one basic package also today itself we are starting, and here also core Java is available, and Java package, complete Java package we are starting, right? Understand this clearly today. Then complete Java package here we are starting. Now here also core Java is available that we started. As all of you have to this clearly. Yeah. This is exactly the demo class today what I started. Understand it, guys. Now everybody has to understand it clearly now. That means today demo class I want to find this. Then what are the topics I'm going to be taking? These are the concepts here I'm taking. Right, sir. So yeah, exactly. So guys, now these are the courses here. Then regarding these courses, no, about these courses. Now today demo class is going in for these three courses, not for framework courses now. And please remember this in complete Java package, core Java, advanced Java, Hibernate, Spring. Listen, all of you here. In the Spring, what we are able to get up to like which one Spring Boot, including Spring Boot. Microservices is not the part of the Java package. Why? Because it is a separate course and separately we will plan for it. But Spring, basic Spring up to web module, core module, and AOP module, JDBC module, ORM module, transactions, web module plus Spring Boot. Up to Spring Boot, we are able to get it. And web services also we are not including, but optionally I'm telling it. Just still I'm in confusion for it. Still, why? Because of these durations and all these things, I'm telling you clearly. So it is optional depending on the time. Then web services is a depending on time, but I'm not sure about these web services. This is optional course inside this regarding these web services. So I not include. Why? Because and to cover this one, I have to take too much time. Content wise, very good content we have to cover. Understand it clearly. Okay, guys. Now observe this clearly. And another important thing, what I'm telling to you, if we come for this core Java, inside this core Java, what we are able to get actually, right? By duration, I will give clarity now. Core Java. Core Java, in the sense, what I am planning here, not only a single core Java. Just anyway, I want to list out the courses here. Okay, otherwise, here itself we can understand. Not only a core Java, simply I want to provide a project. Along with the core Java, I'm going to provide a project. Here also be along with the core Java in this package also, we are able to get a separate project. Project in the sense, depending on the content. Yeah. Individual courses you cover Spring Boot. Spring Boot also I'm planning, guys. I'll have you observe this clearly. Along with this core Java, a small project. Not to keep that project in our resume also for the sake of interview, just for the sake of your practice, hands-on practice. What are the things you are going to learn in core Java? Along with that core Java, I want to give a project review for this core Java. Of course, I'm planning 2 to 3 projects I'm planning there in core Java, but I'm giving 100% assurance about which one project. Similarly, on the base of advanced Java also, we are going to do one project. On the base of advanced Java also, we are going to do one project. That's it. So if we take this basic package, along with the courses, we are able to get 2 projects. Hands-on projects we are able to get. So these projects, again and again, I'm telling you, for the sake of your practicing only, we are providing this projects information. Next one is, if you come for this complete Java package, no? So here also we are going to provide like which one here, a project. Next one is advanced Java. Advanced Java, like which one here, a separate project we are providing. And for Hibernate, whenever we are doing Hibernate, here also we are doing a project with like Hibernate, and so in the sense like which one here technologies and advanced Java, servlets and JSPs and Hibernate, servlet JSPs and Hibernate. Here. I'm going to prepare there. And in the case of Spring Boot, here also we are able to get like with one project. So here my main consultation is going on along with the courses and our practical view I'm going to be provided. As part of this here, we are going to take which one projects. All of you guys observe the screen. And inside these tools and UI technologies, this is like which one basic UI technologies only. Here also basic UI I'm telling you. And in the case of these tools, and just I'm confirming that 2 tools majorly I'm going to be covering here, not complete all the tools. No, as of now, then which tools are required mandatorily for developing these applications? That tools I'm going to be provided. Which tools here I'm going to be provided here? So Maven is the most required tool in every aspect. No, then after this Maven, another thing is like which one here? Log4j. So these 2 things here we are going to be covered. But JUnit and all these things optional. The JUnit optional. I'm thinking about it. I want to include that. but I'm not sure whether I'm going to include or not. But unit is an optional, and web service is also be optional, guys. But I will take a decision as per my decision. I'm going to include it or not, and I will decide that. But these courses are confirmed. These courses are mandatory. Whatever the courses I specified, this is about like which one complete Java package. As all of you observe this clearly now. But along with the courses project, this time I'm including project. See, if we take this complete Java package, no, in almost we are going to have 4 projects on hands-on. 4 projects on hands-on we are able to have. Then which projects I am going to take, I will decide on the time. At the end of each and every course, at the end of the core Java, I will decide which project I am going to take. At the end of the advanced Java, I will decide which project I am going to take now. So anyway, then with a bit interaction with, I will decide that which project I am going to take. That project inside the class itself, we are going to implement clearly. That means whatever the things we are going to learn on this respective technology, on that, for the sake of your hands-on practice, we are going to implement one project. That we are going to have some awareness which topic and where it's going to be utilized, how this learned topics we are going to utilize in our project. This kind of awareness here we are able to get max. So these are the 3 courses today I'm planning as part of this content, guys. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you now. Guys, and then people are asking much about the duration and all these things I'm telling to you. Simply we can understand clearly the duration of this core Java is around 3 months of time here we are planning. 2.5 to 3 months of time. Only core Java if we take no 3 months of time here we are planning. And this basic package if we take no basic package parallelly we are conducting, and moreover core Java if we take no only 7 to 8 is a session here we have to follow. 7 to 8 a.m. That means 1 hour class is going on every day. 7 a.m. Talk 7 I will start and 8 a.m. I will finish that. This is one thing. But if we take this basic package, no, all of you observe this clearly, uh, 3 to 4 months of time here we are going to take max. Maybe then 3 to 5 months of time max. We are going to conduct this one 4 to 5 months of time max. So here what we are going to be provided here, it's not like single slot. You have to attend for the sessions like which one? 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. This is one slot. And you must attend 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. session also you have to attend if you take this basic package. Understand it clearly now. But if you take this one, just we are going to take like which one? And 5 to 7 months of time here we are going to take. I'm going to take 5 to 7 months of time we are going to take. In between that we are going to finish it. But here also we have to take like which one? 7 to 8 a.m. one session here we have to take. And 8 to 9 a.m. These 2 sessions here we have to attend. All of you guys observe this clearly now. So these 2 sessions here we have to attend. So understand it clearly now. So for only core Java 1 hour, 3 months of time. For basic Java case 4 to 5 months of time, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. Parallelly we are going to conduct these classes. How parallelly we are going to conduct these classes, I'll give much clarity on it. H1 is like we can complete Java package also 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 and 5 to 7 months of time here we are going to take now. So no guys, no. Then tools in the sense not like this only. Maven, log4j mandatory and JUnit is also optional, but max 90% I will include the JUnit also. Next. Right. No dependency guys. Then we are going to plan for the courses like which one 2 slots we are conducting in the sense without having max dependencies, without having dependencies only we are going to conduct. I will take care about it how to start these classes now parallel. So this is what exactly the view here I'm telling to you guys clearly now. So is there any fast track taking towards of core Java and what next one get finished in 1-2 months of time? So no such type of batches immediately, but if you want to get such type of batches, you have to go for individual classes. One trainer, one student. The class are going in at Durgasoft also, just we have to go for that. Or else, still if you want to learn the same kind of thing in my classes, no. But other core Java batches are going on, you have to attend for 2 classes. If you attend for 2 classes, then you are able to complete a bit faster manner. That was the solution for that. If you want to complete within a month of time now. Right, sir. Right, sir. Now, 7 to 8 is core Java. 8 to 9 is which one? First, we will start which one? Oracle. Right, sir. Now, okay, we can observe this clearly. Here, we are going to start like which one? Core Java. At 7 to 8. Parallelly, after a few days of time, at 8 to 9, we are going to start like which one? Oracle. Right. And apart from this UI technologies, here we are going to start. And after that, here at technology like which one here? Advanced Java here we are going to start. Advanced Java is going on at both the times, maybe at one time. Advanced Java is going on at both the times now. But core Java, Oracle, UI, and here is going on there. It's not certification course, guys. It's purely like which one here? Our training part, not for certification majorly. Just please recognize this part. It is not certification course. Please all of you recognize this. It is not certification course, and moreover, all syllabuses, the total content, I will share to you after completion of this class. Our admin people will share the total syllabus. Already you entered your email IDs there. To that email IDs, and we are going to share all the syllabuses. All content will be sent to mail. Today itself, after completion of this class, we will send that all. Already we had a PDF now. We will share that PDF document to you. Here we can see the total syllabus. Right. So after completion of this total content, I'm giving assurance to you, 80 to 85% of score we are able to get in our certification, if we take any certification. Right, sir. So design patterns, not immediately, that may take some time. And if you complete my core Java classes, any of these courses, no. If you go for certifications, 85% to 90% I can give. 85% to 90% I can give assurance. And yes, guys, exactly. No. And one more thing I'm telling to you, all the benefits here we are able to get. Recordings we are able to get for all courses. For all courses, if you take which package, no recordings we are able to get up to 1 year of time. Up to 1 year of time, we are able to get less recordings. We are able to get. This is one thing I'm telling to you. Right. Apart from this, yes, exactly. Apart from these recordings, anything else, guys, regarding these recordings, up to 1 year of time, we are able to get now, not 6 months of time. In general, people are planning up to 6 months of time, but it's not like 6 months of time. Now, here we are able to get like which one? 1 year of time. 1 year of time support we are able to get. These recordings through Google Drive access, we are able to provide all these recordings. That is one thing. Apart from this, I'm giving some clarity to you. Soft copy material. Soft copy material for each and every course. Soft copy material for each and every course. Right? And one more thing, just wait, guys, wait. I will talk about this price related also. Some offer is going on. I'll explain to you. Just wait a minute of them. I will go for it. Next one is live execution is going on. Every application and every project and everything we are going to be discussed in front of you live execution. Apart from this live execution, then what next one here I'm telling to you, and I'll provide accessible classroom applications, accessible classroom applications. And apart from this accessible classroom applications, that other thing is like which one? And classroom notes will provide classroom notes every day. Every day classroom notes we will share. Apart from this, the soft copy material and all applications maximum design as per like which one MVC we are providing, and it depending on situation, assignments are going on. Depending on situation, assignments will be provided. Assignments will be provided. And moreover, classes are going on both theoretically and much practically. Understand it, yes, what I'm telling you. Theoretically and much practically, all the courses are going on. Then, what I'm telling to you, and this apart from all these things, that other thing here, what I'm telling to you, then advantage of attending my classes is like which one? You are going to work with multiple ideas. What are these ideas I'm going to be covered here? You can observe this clearly. Eclipse, IntelliJ IDEA, then IntelliJ IDEA, and NetBeans. We are going to see this content here. After completion of this, right, these are the multiple ideas. Next one is we are going to work with multiple databases as part of my classes. What are the databases? We are going to work with multiple databases. First of all, is for Oracle. Next one is like which one? MySQL. Then after that, MongoDB. Yeah, MongoDB also we are planning there. Right from JDBC onwards, we are able to have MongoDB. Now it's getting demand. Right, sir. Now, apart from this, then tools I said to you, max right from Hibernate onwards. Up to Advanced Java, no use of using tools now. Right from Hibernate onwards, we are going to prepare all the applications, tools, like which one here, Maven and Log4j. On every aspect, we are planning for these tools there. Mainly Maven. Maven is going on perfectly in outside there. So this one we are going to be covered. And apart from these multiple servers, we are going to work with multiple servers. What are these multiple servers here? We are going to be provided here. You can observe this clearly. First one is we'll start with the Tomcat. Tomcat server we are going to start it. Then after this Tomcat, gradually we'll move on to like which one? WebLogic. Then after this WebLogic, we are going to provide like which one? And JBoss or Wildfly, both are same, of course. Then next one is like which one? Glassfish. So these many servers we are going to see. Right, sir. Yeah. Tools in the sense real-time tools that I'm telling you. So glassfish we are saying, but I'm not sure. But optionally we can understand it. Cloud. Optionally we can understand like which one? Cloud. Maybe. But I'm not giving assurance for it. But depending on the time, I'm able to use like which one? Cloud. Understand it clearly. What I'm telling you. Cloud in the sense like which one? How to launch database at our cloud and how to connect with the cloud database, how to perform operations with the cloud database. But optionally, we can answer this clearly. Anyway, definitely, I have a plan, but I'm not giving assurance in this course now. So all these things here we are able to get. Yes, these are the benefits what we are able to get. Advantages of attending these courses. I'm telling you. And now coming to the cost, guys. This is a bit difficult for me to talk about cost and all these things in classes, no. But still, people are asking to me. That's why I'm talking about it. And moreover, one offer might be provided with Durgasoft in this particular day. Just let me talk about this cost-related things also. But anyway, guys, one simple thing. In general, each and every individual course is like which one here? 7,000 actual cost in online. 7,000 cost for each and every individual course. So if you go for this only core Java, I think so it will be like which one? 7,000. So including the project. That's the point. What I'm telling you. Each and every individual course. Guys, now tell me similarly, what will be the cost for this basic package? No, if you take 7,000 individual course, no, how much is the cost for basic package, guys? Wait a minute of time. How much is the cost for this basic package? If you take individual course, is there 7,000 like this? Core Java, Advanced Java, regular and four sevens. I think so. It will be 28, right? 28,000. But actually, then what it is going on in the point of this package? No, then people are giving some offer. What about this offer for this package? No, so in the package you are able to get like which one within 23,000. This basic package. Understand it? 23,000 you are able to get it in the basic package now. And as for the package, but Durgasoft has given offer, guys. Now all of you up to this clearly. Durgasoft has given an offer. What is that offer? No, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Today, tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow, if you register for the courses now, this basic Java course you are able to get within 20,000. That was the price. I think this benefit is available. That's why I'm talking about it clearly. So every course is live course. Then I will speak with you. Every course is a live course. No recorded videos. No, nothing else. That culture is not available with me. I'm purely against that kind of process. No, every course is live course. Even myself is a whole and sole respective person. So my name is Nagoor Babu and myself is a complete responsible person for this total packages. Right. Now, similarly, come on, guys. Now come for this. What will the cost for this complete package, guys? Any idea? If we calculate it, individual courses. What will the total cost? What we are getting as? Any idea? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What is the cost here? Nearly. How much? How much is the cost there? 49K. Right. This is like which one your original individual cost if we calculate. No, guys, I don't like to talk about this money, but advantage some offer is going on. That's why I'm talking about this money related things. No, but better to talk with our office people if we require anything else. Right, sir. 49K. But in the total Java package point of view, how much you are able to get regarding this one total package point of view? Max we are able to get like which one 35K. Then people are providing in the point of this package. total package. Understand it clearly now. But again, here what I'm telling to you, today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if you register for this course, then you are able to get this total course within 30,000. Yeah, you are able to get this course within 30,000. That means today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, 3 days is going on up to Sunday. Today is Friday, right? Then if you register for these courses, no, then this much of reduction is going on within 20,000. This total part we are able to get within 30,000. We are able to get this total part, guys. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you. But for core Java is as usual 7,000 only. That course is going on. Right, sir. Right. That's okay, guys. Then if you're already doing some courses, just try to talk with our management, that means our admin people, and they will go for somewhat discussion. But this is an official information here. We are going to provide this clearly now. Right, sir. Yeah, then see that the installments are not, and all these things try to talk with the admin people, guys. Just even I don't like to talk this payments related thing in my classes, no. But offers are going on, they're giving some offers list. That's why I'm giving this kind of information regarding this money and all these things. So this is a calculation. We can observe this clearly. Then better what I'm telling to you, and instead of taking these 4 Java classes, individually if we take all these courses, no, it will take might be then more amount. It's not required, and where to go for packages. That is my advice if you require it. Right, sir. Then I'm telling you clearly, if you're having any constraints about these packages and all these things, and if you want to convert from individual course to package, or if you want to go for it, no, just one time talk with the admin people. Apart from this, I'm not right person to talk about money and all these things, guys. And old students or maybe existing students and all these things, just one time talk with our admin people, and there they will give much clarity about this particular one. Where Bhavani is one person and a Nazir sir. Then 2 members are available. Just we can talk with both the members and they will separate that issue. Understand it, what I'm telling to you. Guys, then all these old students or maybe present course year students, if you want to convert to package or these kind of things, if you have any constraints there, just one time talk with admin people. Admin people will give much clarity on it. Yeah, in core Java also, which project is a standalone project only. Not anyway, the scope. And one more thing, guys, I'm telling you, see 1 minute, 1 minute of time, 1 minute of time, all of you guys. So projects I'm going to be designed. Again, I'm telling you for the sake of your hands-on experience only, not to keep these projects in our resume. Yeah, not to give these projects in our resume. And these projects for the sake of our practicing purpose, I'm going to provide. And moreover, in core Java Wiki project, no standalone application only we are able to design. But apart from this one, starting application, I'm able to prepare. Good starting application, I will prepare. And the next one is with the user interface and some examples I'm able, some application I'm able to prepare. That means standalone application only. But when we go for advanced Java, in advanced Java web application, we are able to prepare some online shopping or some kind of on-flow. I will take that project. I am able to implement that project. If you go for this core Java projects and standalone, right from advanced Java onwards, web applications and web projects I'm going to prepare up to this spring, definitely. So we are able to have this content. Guys, all of you are getting clarity what I'm telling you. So now in lockdown, no Maitrivanam, no new building, nothing else. Online. These prices and everything is in online. No offline classes. These are only online. Understand it, guys? What I'm telling to you. So no new building and no Maitrivanam. Everything is same now. Only one building, only one scenario online. So maximum throughout this year, no offline classes, guys. Max in outside also. Then that frameworks package will finalize maybe very soon. But when I'm going to start again new framework batch, then I'm going to confirm it, guys. All of you know, I'm going to confirm this max, this frameworks and all. Anyway, guys, then one time see my EMIs or maybe some cards or whatever credit card or whatever. Just one time talk with your admin people. They'll give much clarity on it. Yeah. I said to you guys that these projects, for the sake of your practice only, again and again, I'm telling you not to keep years of experience in your resume, not to keep for 4 years of experience in our resume. That's it. That's the point. And if you have any concerns and regarding these payments and all these things, 5252627 is a number where Bhavani is a respective person. She is available. And another person is like which one? Nazir sir. And he'll be available after 10 a.m. They'll be available after 10 a.m. Just we can talk with these two persons, then they will give much clarity about these prices and all. But as of now, the prices and all these things here, we can talk with them. Whatever, if you have any concerns or if you have any like concessions or anything, if you want to talk with them, just one time talk with our admin people. 885-252627 is a number, our online number. Then we can talk with them. And where I'm telling you clearly, right, sir. Right, sir. And Nazir is a person there, Bhavani. Then these two members will take the decisions. Max, you can contact with them. Right. The explanation was good on explaining this IT industry and all. Thank you. Yeah. And guys, then this is the content now. Then another thing is which one is today, just it is a demonstration here what I provided, guys. Just overall view what about our things from behalf of Durgasoft, then what we are providing it. All the things here I discussed with you. And next demo, then core Java demo I'm going to take. Evening batches, it may take some time now, not immediately. And next demo class is on Monday. Next demo is on Monday, guys. All of you observe this clearly. Second demo, not second demo, actually not demo. Second demo is on Monday. Monday, same 7 o'clock, 7 a.m. It's not demo, actually directly we will start. Directly course will start. Directly course will start, guys, on Monday. Yeah. Yes, sir. Today's one class. Right. Yeah, Balaji. Yes, Balaji, sir. Okay, fine. Yeah, definitely, Balaji. Just one time talk with our admin people and they'll give more clarity on it. Guys, just even I'm telling you again, even I don't like to talk about this money related things inside this class now, but offers are available and to give some benefit to you only. I'm talking about these things now. Anyway, then one time talk with our admin people and they will give more clarity. And Arakil, I'll sure about. Guys, one more point I'm telling to you. One more point, guys. One more point. Please, all of you observe this clearly. This Arakil course. Why? Because myself is a person, I'm very much busy with these technologies. No, please, all of you observe carefully. Arakil course will be taken by, will be taken either by me or some other expert package, expert faculty. Definitely. So either all courses I'm going to take, no doubt for that. Whatever the packages can I specified, all courses I'm going to take. But Araikil course either by me or some other expert faculty. Up to this Araikil, this is a small constraint. Apart from that, I don't have any constraint for it. So Araikil course will be taken either by me or by or some other expert faculty. Guys, only this course, only this constraint. Apart from that, I'm not having any other constraints. No, Aragil course, I'm telling to you. Myself, I will take. In the case, some other faculty will take. But apart from this, all courses are going to be taken by me. Yeah, myself only I will cover right from core Java to up to like we can Spring, and every topic is mine. That's it. But only Aragil, we are going to start very soon, and either by me or some other faculty we are going to start. But definitely I will give some information, clearly. Who is going to take the classes and his profile and everything will provide. And after completion of this class, we are going to send the total, what I'm telling to you, a list. And one more thing, as I'm telling to you, versions of each and every course is up to the latest version. For example, if you take core Java, in core Java, I'm going to take up to Java 14 version. Please remember this. Up to Java 14 version, I'm going to take. As of now, Java 14 is the latest version. 15th version trial is available, but not official version. GA version is not available. General availability is not available. Java 15, general availability is not available. All up to latest versions we are going to discuss. Up to Java 14th version. Understand it clearly what I'm telling you. Yes, sir. All of you are getting it or not? All right, guys. Now, if you have any further constraints and if you have any further things we require that relate to these schedules and money, talk with your admin people and they'll give much clarity. But as of now, and whatever awareness I'm having, just I'm giving everything in front of you. Right, sir. Yeah, I will, Abdul Kham, I will share that total document to you. Don't think much about it. I will share the document to you. Definitely. Yeah, definitely. I'll share document, guys. Yes, yes, definitely. I'll share the document to all of you guys. Yeah. Okay, fine. All and one more thing I'm telling you guys, then classes are going on from Monday to Saturday. Monday to Saturday, classes are going on. Yeah, definitely. Monday to Saturday, classes are going on. If situation demands, if situation demands, we are ready. Situation demand, we are ready to take classes on Sundays also. But max, we will not get any classes on Sunday. Yeah, if situation demands, classes are going on Sundays also. That depends on situation. So if the syllabus is not in right track, definitely we are ready to take classes on Sundays also. Right, sir. You know, right, guys. So Oracle database, we are going to use 18XE or 19C, guys. We are able to use that Oracle database. Yeah, every class recorded session will be provided. Every class recorded session will be provided. Yeah, then after completion of the class within an hour, max we are planning to provide recorded sessions. Yeah, definitely for every class, recordings will be provided. See, in Java up to 14th version, up to latest version, I said you all versions up to latest. Definitely, interview questions is a part of the course, guys. Interview questions is a part of the course. Everybody has to know. Interview questions are part of the course. Automatically, you are able to get all interview questions. All interview questions you are able to get. Definitely. In every topic, in everything, every course, every topic. Interview questions we are going to discuss. Part of the course. When I'm discussing about this Java, core Java, for a particular might be, for example, exception handling topic I'm discussing. In exception handling, when I'm discussing about this introduction part, there is a question: what is error and what is an exception? There is a question: what is checked exception and what is unchecked exception? On that moment, we'll put a note also. This is a question and this is the answer. On that moment, we are going to discuss. Definitely. So by that we are able to get much knowledge. See, and one more thing I'm telling you, to attend for this core Java, not required to go for any knowledge. If you know C, it's okay. If you're not aware about C, then it's okay. Very good. No problem. I'll go for it. Yeah. All courses will happen in this specified timing only. No changes on our timing max. Max. If I require to go for any one or two sessions other time, no, I will request you. If it is available for you, then only I will provide this. Otherwise, in the same schedule, it is going on. The schedules are fixed maximum. 7 o'clock for only courses, 7 to 8 for course people, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 for which one? Basic Java people, 7 to 9, 7 to 8 and 8 to 9 is for complete Java people. Then courses are going on. Yeah. Yeah, then along with the core Java, if you have time, it's better to learn Python also. But complete Python is not required. Along with Java, it's better to go for Python. Right. Yeah, I will not go for changes, guys. Max this times I will change it. No changes on time. Max. Yeah, time is fixed. 100% time is fixed. Yeah, definitely. And moreover, once again, I'm telling you, myself is the complete responsible person for all these courses. Whatever the courses here we are going to take now, myself is a complete responsible person. No other person will be involved in this. Only Oracle class only by either by me or maybe some other. I'm thinking about it. If any other more than me taking Oracle classes, no, I want to hand over the Oracle to him. If any person is not taking good classes, then definitely I will not allow this This is my personal packages. These are my personal packages. Definitely, I should take the total responsibility. Right, guys? Yeah, Aditya. Then definitely, I will not change the time. Sure. Yeah, web services things are just still as of now, I'm not having any plan to include web services in this complete Java package. Why? Because and already to cover this one, I need to take 5 to 7 months of time. Again, if I include this web services, no, maybe I'm thinking about it, the duration point of, or maybe in the middle, if I want to include that web services, parallel, if I'm going to take any other session, maybe I make you intimation, but web services may be optional. I'm not sure about it. Web services is going to be available or not. Max is an optional only. If it is possible, then only I will include that. Otherwise, I will not include that. Yeah, I'm not sure, but you can understand it. Even tools of the Maven and Log4j I will cover. There it is also be optional. EA basics and Oracle and all the things are okay. Fine. As it is, I'm able to cover. Right, guys. 70% I'm thinking to include web services, but I'm not sure. I'm not giving assurance for it. Yeah, guys. Anything else? Anything else? Just if you have anything, just we can raise that. Then definitely I will clarify to you. Yeah. So these many benefits we are able to get, guys. Just I'm telling you, recordings and all, everything I'll take responsibility. So far, no package is available in the combination of Java and Python. Maybe in the future we'll plan for it. In the future we'll plan for it. But now, as of now, we are not having any plan for it. But myself, I'm taking Python classes and all. Whatever the list here I'm giving it, all these classes here, I'm going to take. So my capability, that means my capability is I'm able to take all these classes. Yeah, all these courses. Then Java courses and Python side. And what next one, this UI side. All three sectors, I'm going to take classes. Yeah. Yeah, Jason side. That's fine. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. The full stack developer. Yes. Right, sir. I can teach all. No problem. And one more thing, along with this Java related patches, I'm planning to conduct this Python patches and UI patches also. I'm going to start these package batches, but I will give that information there. Next class is on Monday, guys, not tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Just think it is the second demo class, but actually it's not demo class. Directly I will start classes, no. But next class is on Monday. Monday I will start our original syllabus. Core Java will start on Monday, 7 to 8 Core Java. After a few days of time, it and then we will start with you on Oracle, either by me or some other faculty. Next UI onwards, I will take again. Yeah. See that core Java and advanced Java maximum you may get a 7 to 8 or maybe 8 to 9. That's it. Within this time only we are able to get. Karthi Verma. Just I'm giving clarity to you. Max within 9. Before 9 itself it will be completed. Advanced Java either 7 to 8 you may get or maybe 8 to 9. We are able to get it. Yeah. In these two timings, I'm able to conduct this. Data science batch. Okay, sir. I mean planning for it, but it may take some time. Already, I'm in that process only, but very soon I'll launch that one also, but not immediately. Not complete data science, sir. No, just machine learning only, max. Yeah, machine learning only. Not of course, in outside meaning data science in the sense machine learning only. Yeah, machine learning. I'm planning very soon, but not immediately. Yeah, Surendra Panda, definitely. Anything else, guys? You can raise it now. Just five more minutes of time. Tell about yourself. Myself is Nagoor Babu, is one of the founder of Durgasoft. Yeah, one of the founder of Durgasoft, and I have completed MTech, and I was working with HCL Technologies Chennai and at Hyderabad, other company. And apart from this, right from 2004 or 2005 onwards, we are teaching Java and all these courses, IT courses. Yeah, Yes. Anything else, guys? Apart from this, right? And myself is a Java certified, Java 11 certified. Yeah, definitely. Then core Java is sufficient. Vidyanathan, core Java is sufficient for which one? Uh, core Java is sufficient for like which one? Selenium. Yeah, yeah. Complete Java 30,000. Exactly. Then today, tomorrow, day after tomorrow, if we go for it. Otherwise, Monday onwards, it may be 35,000. I think so. Thank you, Jagadish. Yeah, thank you. EMI option, just one time talk with our admin people, guys. Just one time talk with them, then they will give much clarity. But as of now, this information I can share. STS also, guys. Just I forgot to include that. STS also we are going to talk whenever we are moving for Spring applications. There definitely we are going to include like which one STS also definitely. STS is also included. Hybrid is required, sir. Definitely. If you want to go for Spring, where ORM model is available, where hybrid is also required. Definitely. STS, I forgot that actually. STS is also included. Almost all STS is almost 70% same as Eclipse only, but a separate layer is available for the sake of for supporting Spring applications. Definitely, I'll take STS classes. Yes, guys. So then always better to go for this complete Java package, guys. Then why? Because these many courses we are able to get. SCJP, OCJP, the certifications are now. This is not certification course. This is not certification course, guys. This is our Java training, right? Certification courses are different. No, yeah, Hemant. Fee for the core Java is 7,000. Sir. Yeah, for core Java, see then, and one thing I'm telling to all of you guys, core Java individual, I'm conducting their core Java and basic package and core Java and complete Java package. Syllabus point of view, explanation point of view, and working point of view, no differentiation. In all the cases, core Java in individual core Java, in basic Java, core Java, and complete Java, no differentiation. Same content is going on, right? Yeah, right, sir. And moreover, these classes are going on right from scratch to high level, guys. All level of students can attend these classes now, right from scratch, very beginning. I'm telling to you, I'm going to show each and every installation to up to which one project level. That's why I included the projects also. Then hands-on projects also I included that. Right from even how to install Java software, how to install Oracle software. Right from that onwards, everything is going on inside the classes. Definitely. So right from scratch to complete up to the project level, everything we are going to understand. Right? Anything else, guys? Then no problem. Then I'm telling you clearly all basics you are going to be covered. But at least if you know what is int and what is float and what to declare a variable, if you know at least there we are able to get. I'm able to provide much. At least if we provide minimum content. Right. Okay, guys. And one more thing, and I think so might be the same webinar. Some other class is going on there, and just I want to leave now. And Monday again we are going to discuss about it. And Monday I will give the basic overview of all these things. And Monday onwards we are going to start our syllabus, guys. Okay, fine. That's all, guys. And thank you for your support. Thank you for attending this demo. I'll meet on Monday again. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot. Thank you, guys. Thanks a lot.